Hi everyone! We are making a Halloween garland for miniature houses today. These are just 2 bags of pom-poms I got at the craft store. I believe it was Michael's. I got orange and white. You can get whatever colors you like. I'm just going to use orange and white for Halloween. Super simple. All you do is take them out and you'll need a needle and a thread, and that's all you'll need to make this. You'll thread your needle and then just stick them straight through the pom-poms. Try to get it in the center of the pom-pom so it'll be evenly throughout. You can make this as long as you want. I'm going to stop here just because I'm not using it for that large of an area. You'll just want to tie a knot on the end here. That way you can hang it however you like. You can hang it on a little hook, or you can tape them down. You could attach it so many different ways. And here is the final product. Nice and cute and simple for DIY Halloween decorations for your miniatures. I'm going to use it on my child's little dollhouse since mine's packed away. Here it is on the little plastic dollhouse. I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial. Be sure to like and subscribe.